Welcome to my channel, Great English Media. Today I would like to share my lesson. It is about the importance of education. Today I am here to share my views about importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education means studying in order to obtain a deeper knowledge and understanding of a variety of subjects to be applied to daily life. Education is not limited to just knowledge from books, but can also be obtained through practical experiences outside of the classroom. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level, and personality. It empowers us intellectually and helps us to deal with problems. Education provides stability in life and is something that no one can ever take away from you. By being educated, you increase your chances for better career opportunities and open up new doors for yourself. Education is the key to success in the future and to have many opportunities in our life. Education helps the way for us to have a good career. We can have plenty of chances to work at any workplace we wish. It enhances the opportunities for a better life chances we get. Education polishes our mind, reinforces our thoughts, and strengthens our character and behaviors toward others. Being educated is an advantage to help our people and build a good society. Education is the process of acquiring knowledge and information that leads to a successful future. There are a lot of positive traits of having education, such as having a good career, having a good status in society, and having self-confidence. In today's competitive world, good education has become an necessary. Higher education helps in getting a good job and position. Education also prepares people for different life experiences. It helps people to have a special status in society. However, education polishes our mind and strengthens our character. Education helps us to take right decisions. It is the key to success in personal as well as professional life. It makes us smart enough to handle tough situations and to live a happy life. A person having good education becomes a good citizen of the country. A country can progress well if its citizens are well educated. The importance of education is evident when it comes to being self-dependent. If we are well educated, then it's something that belongs to us and only us, allowing us to rely on no one else other than ourselves. It can also allow you to not only be financially independent but also to make your own choices. All in all, education is the process of acquiring knowledge which helps to be successful. There are many benefits of good education, like having a good career, improve their confidence, and having a good status in society. Education helps to grow in life. It is the reason behind many successful people and nations. Above all, it helps in building a better society for the citizens of a nation. It helps to eliminate the darkness of ignorance and bring light to the world. Thank you. Thanks for your watching.